Things I wish I knew before becoming a product manager. 1. Learn how to say no. As a product manager, people will come with different ideas and different ways for you to improve your software, but you have to know how to say no. And how do I do that? First off, I leverage your relationship I have with them. Secondly, I ask them to provide data and insight on how that particular feature would solve our problem. In most cases, I am the one that provides data to tell them that, look, this particular thing might not solve the problem. Secondly, you will never have all the answers. When I started, I always felt like I should have the answer at the point. But guess what? As product managers, you never have all the answers at that point. That is why you have a team of marketing, engineering, or software developers, and other people or experts that work with you to actually provide insights and give you answers to the questions that you literally don't know how to answer, if that makes sense. One other thing to note is your roadmap is never set in stone. I used to believe there was something called perfect roadmap. But guess what? Your roadmap is everly evolving and you should be ready to pivot as priorities, market trends, or your customer needs change. So what does that mean? It means you are actually adding things to your roadmap, changing things on your roadmap, redefining priorities based on the market trends and the industry trends as well. One other thing I figured out late is you can't make everyone happy. As a product manager, your work is actually to satisfy your customers and ensure you're meeting their needs, right? And in most cases, you might be meeting their needs and not making a stakeholder happy. So you need to be able to prioritize making your customers happy over making an internal stakeholder within your company happy. Additionally, you should be able to ask why. Never be afraid of asking why. Whenever something comes to you, always find out the why behind it. Ask why, and why. Why are we embarking on this? Why do we want this feature? Why are we going in this direction? Asking why would actually help provide clarity into what you need to do and as well find out if this thing is even worth doing. And lastly, data is your best friend. I wish I had known this earlier, but always make data-driven decisions as a product manager. And as a product manager, there are data around you that you can utilize to actually build and grow your products. It's always advisable to analyze your product metrics, analyze everything around the data around you, just so you are able to make sense out of it and know how that contributes to making your product grow. We don't just make decisions based on gut feelings, no. We utilize the data around us to actually make those decisions that would help grow our products. So I would say again, data is your best friend. If you have any other question around things I wish I knew, please feel free to drop a comment and follow us for more.